Up next, B2 Coupe and 80 Saloon. These are Group 2 touring car kits. Again, I've made these, I've got the moulds. The front chin spoiler comes in two sections just for ease of transport, because otherwise it's quite a big part. Nice and thick, good quality to them. I'm crinkling again. Easy to fit. They are drill and screw. You will need to make some arch modifications on your B2. The rear arches will need the original lips cutting off, and then a new higher lip pinch welding together. On the front you can just cut the wings off. They are usually suitable for the early GT, which has got the different valance than the later big bumper GTs, but it can be made to fit quite simply. I'll stop this section now, and then we'll go outside and we'll just hold some up next to a B2 Coupe Quattro I've got. Right, outside now. Sorry about the background noise, we've got a busy paint shop next door. These are the wings as they will. Obviously, look on the car, you need to change the bumpers to the smaller black bumpers or run without any bumpers. Black tape's optional, I'd use screws personally, but you can here see how wide the wheels are going to be. Have a really wide set of wheels or a different offset and some spaces if you dare. And there's the rear one. I'd run it without a rear bumper. This car's actually going to be restored back to standard when I finished all the other ones. As you can see, it does make a big difference to the car. These are available and in stock now, and in another video I'll also show you the UR size kit available.